Hey everyone! If you're trying to install any HP printer on your computer or laptop, whether it's a Wi-Fi printer or one that connects through a USB cable, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Right now, I'm using the HP Inktank 315, but don't worry, this method works for pretty much all HP printers. Step 1. Download the printer driver. First, open Google and type in the name of your printer followed by driver download. For example, I'll type HP Inktank 315 driver download. You'll see the official HP website in the search results. Go ahead and click on it. Next, the site might ask you to enter your printer's serial number, which you can usually find on a label on the back of your printer. Once you enter that, the site will automatically detect the right driver and software for your device. Step 2. Install the HP Easy Start setup. You'll now see the HP Easy Start printer setup software. Click Download, then install it on your PC or laptop. Once installation is complete, launch the software and follow the instructions. Step 3. Connect via Wi-Fi if your printer supports it. If your printer supports Wi-Fi and both your printer and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, it should automatically detect the printer. The setup will ask for a PIN. You can find that on the label at the back of your printer. Enter the PIN and your printer will connect wirelessly. If you don't want to use Wi-Fi, no worries. We'll now connect it using a USB cable. Step 4. Connect via USB cable. Plug the USB cable into your PC, laptop, and your printer. Now, go back to the setup window, click on the left side menu and select New Printer. Once your printer appears on the list, select it and click Continue. Step 5. Complete the installation. Choose the full software and driver package, then click Continue. A pop-up will show Connect a new device. Click on it. Check the box to continue installation, then hit Skip and Finish. And that's it. Your printer is now connected and ready to use. Step 6. Print a test page. Press Ctrl-P to open the print menu. Select the correct printer. If you choose the wrong one, you'll see an error, just like I'll show here. Now I'll select the correct one. My printer is showing up as HP Copy 1. I'll select a custom page and hit Print. And there you go. You can see the print job is being sent and the paper is coming out right in front of you.